Morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Billy Batboy from Thumb Wrestling Federation. Codename thinks he's really a bat. His signature moves include the bat-a-tat-tat, let's see, there's the bat break, there's the pinning move where he pins Hometown Huck. He also has a signature move where he says the words, "Leatherwing, I summon thee!" And after he says, "Leatherwing, I summon thee," he summons his bat ally named Leatherwing. And, well, it usually works. It worked against Mahi Mahi Mindy, and ouch. One last thing. Just gotta add this mark here. There he is. That's how I draw Billy Batboy. Stegosaurus, see you later.